The cabin air filter in your 2021-2023 Ford Mustang Mach-E is located in the engine compartment on the passenger side, behind the battery pack near the firewall. To access it, first park your Mach-E on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Open the hood. For safety, remove the battery cover, which is secured by clips or screws. Optionally, disconnect the negative battery cable. Next, unfasten the filter box, typically secured by 4 to 6 plastic clips or screws. A screwdriver or trim tool may be needed. Carefully pull out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrows printed on its side. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. With the old filter removed, install the new filter, ensuring the airflow direction arrows match the orientation of the old filter. Secure the housing clips or screws. Replace the battery cover. Reconnect the battery if you disconnected it. Now, start your Mach-E and test the HVAC system to confirm proper airflow. Ford recommends changing the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. Regularly replacing your cabin air filter will maintain clean air circulation for occupants, HVAC efficiency, and overall comfort. If you have a high-mileage vehicle over 50,000 miles, inspect the filter housing clips for any signs of loosening. Ford issued TSB 240001, which addresses this issue, so an updated clip kit may be needed. Part numbers for replacement filters are FP103 or equivalents from online retailers. Be aware that ongoing software updates via Ford's Sync system include alerts for filter replacement based on driving data.